What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on Pepe, which has been hitting green candles consistently over the last 5 days guys. As you guys can see, especially after the Bitcoin halving, the crypto market has more or less been on the green side. So how long will this last for? And we're going to be focusing on Pepe. How high is it likely to go? Is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it or should you hold on to it before it potentially goes for a breakout, price pump and so on? And looking at his prediction over the short term and long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially over the next 12 to 14 hours, the crypto should have gone for a little bit of a dip, hitting more red candles and trading at a slightly lower value. Potentially a 3 to 4% decrease in value is what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy. It is also likely to hit more green candles over the coming hours, pumping up in value before it slowly starts to hit red candles, making it drop back down. So essentially do expect quite of a wave ups and then back down in value. So again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to slightly be more on the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Pepe over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I am expecting an overall increase in value from Pepe over the coming week or so, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, I'm not expecting a major pump or a bull run or anything like that. A minimal increase in value, a good 15% increase from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. But again, Pepe is a crypto that I cover on a regular basis, so if there are any updates or news that come across that can have an impact on its value, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and especially to stay in the loop on my takes on the crypto. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite bullish, and so is the orange line as well. They're not looking too steep either. They are slanting towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are again expected from Pepe over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late June 2024. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Overall decrease in value is what I'm expecting from Pepe. Reason being is this is not a sustainable cryptocurrency, and let me explain that in a little bit more detail. When it was pumping up earlier on in February and March, as you guys can see here, crazy increases in value, and then it's literally taken a quite of a dip in value. Main cause for that is the Bitcoin pump that's taken place, hitting a new all-time high and so on. However, I'm not expecting this crypto to be a long-term crypto. I'm not expecting it to be a sustainable project either. So by June, July, I'm expecting it to have not really crashed back down, but taken quite of a huge drop in value over the next couple of weeks is what I'm expecting. But again, as I mentioned earlier on, this is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So if my predictions do change, then I will keep you guys updated. But at the moment, this is my take, and it has been my prediction over the last couple of weeks and months as well. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we did go through quite a major increase in value, hitting the top tier level here. However, it has taken a little bit of a dip all the way down to the green zone back about 2 weeks ago, and right now slowly starting to increase in value, heading back up near about the top tier level. What I'm essentially expecting is the crypto to drop back down into the red zone by mid to late June 2024, and July it should be back down into the bottom part of the red zone is what my expectations are at the moment. So let's head into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up by 18% in the last 24 hours, making it $920 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is it has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, so more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning in return it is getting a lot of attention, and the value of Pepe is also pumping as well. Over the week 17%, and over the month it is 13% down, as not just Pepe but the crypto market did go through a little bit of a dip late March and early April, which has resulted in quite of a dip in the crypto market. But we can clearly see majority of the cryptocurrencies are slowly starting to recover, and I'm also expecting Pepe to be recovering before it crashes back down in value. So this is my take and my prediction on Pepe, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if your predictions have changed. Comment down below how high or how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go, or even how many zeros is it likely to get rid of or add on its value. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.